Berries Oud is a luxurious fragrance that opens with a playful and vibrant blend of sweet blueberry and cherry, balanced by the warm spiciness of cinnamon and nutmeg. Jasmine adds a sophisticated floral touch to the top notes. The heart of the fragrance is rich and woody with cedarwood, labdanum, benzoin, and sandalwood creating a warm and smooth blend. The base notes provide depth and longevity with the warmth of umber, the exotic richness of agarwood, the earthy sweetness of patchouli, and the dry smoky character of vetiver. This combination results in a complex, elegant, and luxurious fragrance suitable for various occasions. Performance elements. Longevity. Berries Oud boasts excellent longevity, typically lasting between 8 to 12 hours or longer. The deep bass notes of umber, agarwood, and patchouli ensure that the fragrance endures throughout the day or evening. Sillage. The fragrance has a moderate to strong sillage. It projects well, leaving a noticeable yet refined scent trail that makes an impression without being overpowering. Season. Best suited for fall and winter, Berries Oud's warm, spicy, and woody notes are ideal for cooler weather. The rich and deep profile complements the seasonal shift, making it perfect for these colder months. Occasion. Berries Oud is suitable for evening wear, special occasion, and formal events. Its luxurious and complex nature makes it a great choice for occasion where a sophisticated and memorable fragrance is desired. Type. Berries Oud falls into the Oriental category, characterized by its rich, warm, and exotic blend of fruity, woody, and resinous notes. Style. The fragrance exudes a luxurious, sophisticated, and exotic style, ideal for those who appreciate a deep and opulent scent. Mood. Berries Oud creates a mood of elegance, warmth, and confidence. Its complex blend of sweet, spicy, and woody notes evokes a sense of sophistication and allure, enhancing the wearer's presence with a captivating and rich fragrance. Al Wahid brand offers a quality roll-on attar at a very affordable price, providing a pleasant and soothing fragrance suitable for regular or party use, and is a great product to awaken positive vibes and enhance your mood. You can use it as a pocket roll-on attar. Apply half a milliliter per use for best results. Do not apply on the body, for apparel use only. And do not consume odoriferous substances. All ingredients listed are synthetic aroma chemicals used to create the fragrance notes. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this information useful. Please share your valuable feedback in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more content.